Today I'm down in Rybrook, Bristol, and I apologise straight away about the completely unprepared nature of this video. Because while I was down there, I was filming some intro videos with some of the sales guys, and they basically said, Matt, our 720S Spider demonstrator is free if you'd like to take it out. You can kind of guess what I said about that. Any chance to get behind the wheel of a Mclaren is incredible. You have to take it. So I'm in a 720S Spider, just going for a drive. Now, I did do a full walk around and drive of the 720S Spider in the summer, and if you'd like to see that video, please click on the pop-out link in the top of the screen. But yeah, I just wanted to get behind the wheel of this thing again and just experience it, because the 720S in the summer gave me the most incredible experience behind the wheel of a car I've ever had in my life. It was genuinely breathtaking, and I'm so happy to say that it's doing exactly the same thing again now. I can't quite believe how incredible these cars are. Now this one is finished in black. I'm sorry I don't know what the actual colour is, because as I say, this is completely impromptu. This was not planned at all. So I'm literally just gonna take it as it comes, drive the car and have a little vlog. But what are my thoughts on the 720S? Now this is a completely honest video. Obviously the proper review video has gone live at another date. So this is my honest opinion of this. I have become completely and totally besotted by Mclaren. I don't know where it came from. When the 12C came out, I was just dazzled by that car. I think it was because Mclaren hadn't done anything before, obviously, apart from the F1, and then they brought out the 12C, which went toe-to-toe with the Ferrari 458, which is a biblical car, a fantastic car, and the 12C rather, came in and competed with it. That's unbelievable. I don't think any other marque other than Pagani have come in out of nowhere and just taken the market by storm. But McLaren did that. And this car, okay, the thing that gets me, okay, it's amazingly fast. We all know how fast these cars are. There's plenty of videos online about how fast it is. But the thing that really shocks about the 720S is how incredibly easy it is to drive. So I've got everything set currently into just completely normal drive, into comfort, and well, how easy it is. It's exceptionally easy to drive. It's no harder than any other car I've ever driven. And I just, I love this car. This video isn't going to be a big full-scale production. It's not about that. This thing is just, yeah, I just wanted to drive it. And when they offered me, you'd snap it up. God, the suspension, everything is just so fantastic. It's such a beautiful view out of here. It's so easy, so easy to see out of. And I know this is a Spider, but it's very cold today, so I'm definitely not going to be getting the roof down. But yeah, this thing is just phenomenal. And then you even go near that right throttle, oh, it's just a hyperspace button. Any revs, any speed, and it just absolutely takes off and flies. Yeah. This thing is every bit as good as I remember it. It's in my face. It actually makes me, I can't just describe the feeling that this car gives me, and for those of you out there that have driven this car, you will know what that is. But I genuinely, I can't put into words the feeling that this car gives. The way that it drives, the way that it looks, the way that everything, it's just absolutely sublime. Yeah. What an incredible machine. Well, because this video wasn't planned, I'm going to take this opportunity at the wheel of this incredible car just to say thank you. Thank you for everything in the last 12 months. So let me just give you a bit of background. I was a BMW product genius at Rybrook, Shrewsbury. Started making videos for the fun of it. And then things started to develop, we had an idea, and it was to bring together all of our brands. Rybrook sells some truly amazing brands, and it was an idea to bring together all of those brands on one platform, to bring content from every single brand into one place. And that's what Rybrook TV is, and that's what it's become. And I could have never imagined that it would have grown the way it has in just, well, the first video went out in April. I mean, I know it's not hit the dizzy heights yet of CarWow and those people, but yeah, I didn't know how it would be taken when we first started it, but I am incredibly happy with how it's grown over the last 12 months and how the videos, I think, are starting to get much better quality. And I just want to strive to make some incredible content on these incredible cars. And if it helps you decide what car you want to buy next, then happy days. But even if you just watch this, like I would have done when I was a kid, watch this and think, one day, I aspire to that. I aspire to that car, because although I can't afford one of these things, I never in a million years thought I would get to drive one, let alone twice in 1 year. It's incredible. And just mark my words, Rybrook TV is only going to get bigger and it's only going to get better. There is so much more to come. So please hit that subscribe button to make sure that you don't miss out. Now I'm going to leave you, that's enough of me babbling on, I'm going to leave you with some B-roll of this car. Just enjoy it, enjoy the look, and I will see you guys next time.